Hey techies, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you that you can turn any website into its mobile app. So it's kind of crazy. So I was trying to, well, in the past, I was trying to post on the Instagram story, and I was trying to find out many ways. And one of the ways I found is that you can turn any website into its mobile app. So right now we're on YouTube Studio. Right now, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit Control Shift I, okay, and now we are in the mobile app of YouTube Studio, and I'm currently using the Galaxy Z Fold 5 right here. So the way I did this is I did Control Shift I, okay, and you can do this so far on any browser, okay, and then you can still control it as you can see. So you're gonna hit this right here, the toggle device toolbar, and it's going to bring it up like this, okay. So make sure you hit that, and then it will go to this, and then you can change the dimensions. So you can be responsive, or you can change it to a device that you already know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here from responsive. So I'm going to make it into like a normal phone here, like right here. And I think I'm going to zoom in a bit. Let me see, 150. Yeah, let me okay, yeah, I'm tweaking. Hold on 1 second. What is going on? Okay, this is about better here. So I ended up switching back to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 here. But as you can see, it is actual app of YouTube Creative Studio here. And you're able to go on here and actually use it, utilize it like you have been on any of your apps here. So you responsive is good. I just don't know why it's acting funny now. Um, I guess it's cool like this too, and it's cool how it changes to what you're actually on. But this is the app of it, and then you can switch back to the website by pressing it again there, and then it should do it. It should have did it, or maybe this. Yeah, there you go. All right, so let's go to Instagram. All right, we are in Instagram here. We're gonna hit Control Shift I. All right, and now we are on the mobile version of Instagram, just like that. Okay, I'm going to turn it into a mobile device here, just like we would have if we were on a normal one here. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. And it looks like you can post on here too. Sadly, it's not showing, it's not doing what I thought it would do before, but it's pretty cool on how it's set up, and you can use it just like a mobile app. So definitely check this out. It's pretty cool. It works with any site, and remember, you can change the dimensions here. Let's go to one more site. Let's go to Amazon. Never mind. Let's try Reddit. All right. Control Shift I. And there we go. We are now on Reddit mobile. All right. Well, there's so many creative things you can do. I think this is a pretty cool trick that everyone should be able to do. Let's get it. Let's go. Share this video to all your friends and family. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know more that you can do with this, please let us know. Peace.